东方红脚隼是世界上最伟大的长途旅行者之一，它们每年都要飞行14000英里。
As their prey dries up in their breeding grounds in Siberia, they embark on an epic migration to southern Africa, crossing 14 countries, 2 continents, and 1 ocean. 1 million falcons and the greatest gathering of birds of prey on the planet. This valley is a vital pit stop on the falcon's migration. The tiny raptors can go no further until they build up their fat reserves. For just a few weeks each year, winged termites, alates, leave the safety of their mounds in millions. High in calories, these alates are exactly what the falcons need to fuel their oceanic crossing, the longest made by any bird of prey. To have any chance of surviving their journey, they must nearly double their weight in just 2 weeks. Those that make it to South Africa will have to do the whole trip back again in 4 months' time. For Amur falcons, survival means flying 22,000 kilometers every year of their lives.